Hello, welcome back to another HowToBloke. Now this is I've got another video about fixing pan handles, which I'll leave in the pop-up banner here, but that's concerning ones that screw in. Now today I'm going to do one about the riveted ones. Now can you see that, camera person here? Now these are metal rivets here, right? Through there. So just one piece of metal goes through here, one goes through there. Now this is an old T-fal, I think, yeah, T-fal. It's a kind of a crepe pan, you know, pancake pan thing. I was going to chuck it out because the surface is all is finished now. God, this pan must be 25 years old, something like that. About 20 years old. But I thought I'd use it to show you what you can do to fix it again. If you're not thinking about it, if you don't want to chuck it out because it's still good. So this is how it moves, like this, you see. Now that's get steadily worse and worse and worse after you use it. So it's important really to get that fixed, I think, really. So what you need is a hammer. Now ideally you need a ball peen hammer like this. The ball peen is like with this, has this round knobby thing on the end of it, right? Rather than a claw hammer which gets out nails and stuff. So if you've got one of those, great. If not, then just use an ordinary hammer. And you're going to need, perhaps you're going to need some punches. Now, what is a punch? Not one of these. It's not a bunch of fives. It's things like that. Now this is hardened steel, and it's a punch for punching out things. Here's another punch. It's used for fixing buckles and stuff like that. But basically there's another one, a bit smaller diameter. I bent that one. But basically what you need is some hard piece of steel or something which you can whack with a hammer. Now a nail, a thick nail, I don't think they do nails that thick, but something, a piece of steel rod or something like that will be useful. Now there's two ways to attack this. You could either try and do it with just the ball peen, the hammer on here. So what you do is you hit that, and you hit that against something hard underneath, right? But I found the best way of doing it is using these things. You can buy these real cheap, you know. They're not expensive at all. And what I do now, the other part of it. So you've got this punch and you've got the hammer and all that business. Now the other part of it is something hard. Now not everybody's got one of these devices, have they? But you need something hard so to rest it against when you whack it. Like for example there. So you want the hard bit just underneath the rivet there, like that. So whatever you use, don't use the side of the kitchen surface because you'll break it off. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit it like that. So you're going to hit, the hammer's going to hit on top of that against there, right? So we'll give that a go. Now at the moment, look, it's doing this, okay? So we're going to hit this. Now this is where you need three hands, like this, and you're going to go like that. That's firmed up a bit more, right? And we do the other one. It's probably better if you get someone else to hold the handle, hold the pan straight at the top there, but I haven't got three hands, so. Right. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, it's fixed. Now, of course, how long this will last again, it depends on how often you use it, but this is the problem with these riveted pans. They will work loose eventually, you know, no matter, you know, I've used this a long time, so there we go. Now the other method you can use, you can try, and these punches I think, in my opinion, are the best way forward. But if you can try hitting, if you can't, just the side there, just on the top of the rivet. But there is a danger, you'll be less accurate and you'll whack the pan again, itself. You'll whack the pan rather than the rivet, you see. So, I mean, you can try. Like that. I don't know why I do three, it's just, you know, yeah. But I think the best thing to do is these things. So what you do, hold the pan, you get the rivet, come around here camera person so you can see. You get the rivet like that, you hold the punch on top of the rivet, against something hard, then you whack the rivet hard, and there you go. It's fixed. Okay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and until next time, I've got let me see, cooking stuff up here, quick tips here, and more DIYs a bit like this, I suppose. So see you soon.